Hello! We're going to be talking about how thunderstorms form today. My name's Alexis Roberts, and let's get on with the show.
The cumulonimbus. Did you know that the cumulonimbus forms when warm air...
Stayed up all night blowing up balloons.
What? And that's how we get lightning.
Like Russell said, thunderstorms form when warm air rises and mixes with cold air. The air becomes cooler, which causes the moisture in the clouds to condense, become water, and it causes rain to happen. And that's also how we get lightning storms. Isn't that interesting? Oh no, it sounds like there's a thunderstorm approaching us right now. We better learn how to properly prepare for it. If you get caught up in a lightning storm, it could be pretty deadly. So let's talk about how to avoid that. The first thing you should do, if you're able to, is get inside. The lightning can't hurt you when you're inside of a building, ideally. Let's say you're not inside though, and you can't get to safety. If your hair starts standing up, run. That means lightning's gonna strike. You want to go find a place that's smooth and a small hole that you can crouch in if there's nowhere to go. Contrary to popular belief, the safest spot isn't the spot lightning last struck.
Close to this.
That's the power of lightning. You see why you want to stay inside? So, thunderstorms can occur pretty much anywhere in the United States. So you need to be careful and understand how to combat a thunderstorm. Contrary to popular belief, it's not just some rain and lightning. The lightning especially can do some really bad damage to everything. Like that tree! That tree is dead! I don't know if you would believe me if I told you, but guess what? Severe thunderstorms can come with hail. They can cause forest fires due to the lightning, of course, and they can even start tornadoes. Isn't that amazing? Scary, but amazing. Even if you live in a place you think is safe, you better be careful. Salt Lake has experienced a microburst, which is a mini tornado caused by a thunderstorm. It did a lot of damage, and we experienced one semi-recently in Provo. Isn't that cool? So why does this happen? I know I talked about it briefly before. We know the warm wind and the cold wind mix together and that creates rain. But how does it get so violent? This answer is simple. It's a process of vertical wind shear, and that's an increase in wind speed and the direction of the wind. So the wind switches and it gets stronger. And then there's other things that can cause a supercell. So what is a supercell? Quite simply, a supercell is a tornado. And as we know, tornadoes are formed by the wind chasing each other around, creating a vortex that's pretty destructive, to say the least. These are uncommon in places like Utah. They're more common out in the plains in the Midwest, but they can happen anywhere, potentially. So if you see a windstorm starting to pick up and create a supercell, get inside.